It's a 2013 Lexus LS460. Style and comfort, performance and control, indulgence. In this Lexus, you get it all. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Car and Driver finds the attention to finish and detail in the interior of the LS borders on the obsessive. Lexus inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.